Manual transcription feels like debugging a neural net with 1,000 layers of spaghetti code. Slow, frustrating, and full of errors. Our skill crushes this pain with speaker diarization using Pi-Annote, real-time WER validation against Libre speech benchmarks, Prometheus-driven feedback loops for model drift detection, and Kubernetes-managed scaling on AWS/GCP. Whether you're an AI engineer drowning in audio data, a DevOps wizard trying to automate MLOps pipelines, or a research scientist chasing SOTA metrics, we've all been there. Let's fix transcription once and for all. Here's what's inside the Building AI Transcription Pipeline skill. First, transformer-based audio segmentation with Hugging Face's Wave 2Vec 2.0. Second, active learning loops that auto-select ambiguous samples for human-in-the-loop labeling. Third, Grafana dashboards for tracking CER, character error rate, across deployment environments. Fourth, serverless inference with AWS Lambda integrations. Fifth, pre-built connectors for FIS vector databases to enable semantic search over transcribed content. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn raw audio into enterprise-grade insights without breaking a sweat. Installing the Building AI Transcription Pipeline skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add building-ai-transcription-pipeline. That's it. You'll get the complete skill, including PyTorch Lightning training pipelines, Prometheus alerting configs, and Terraform modules for cloud deployment. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands Whisper Large v3 architecture, and your MLOps stack gains superpowers. No PhD required. Just type, deploy, and let the machines do the transcription.